Question 8 says that three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So let's break down the problem statement and understand it carefully. We have three consecutive integers that we have to find. What do we mean by consecutive integers? Well, consecutive means coming one after the other. So for example, if you take the integers 4, 5 and 6, these are three consecutive integers because they come one after the other. So in this case, let's start by assuming that the three consecutive integers, if the smallest one is x, then the next one will be x plus 1 and the third one will be x plus 2. So this is how we can start solving the problem. Let's assume that the three integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So I'm going to write them like this: x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. And now the problem statement says when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. So x is multiplied by 2, x plus 1 is multiplied by 3 and x plus 2 is multiplied by 4, and the results that we get, if they're added, we get 74. So using this information, we have to find the numbers. Now if x is multiplied by 2, we should get 2x. If x plus 1 is multiplied by 3, we should get 3 times x plus 1. And if x plus 2 is multiplied by 4, we should get 4 times x plus 2. So basically what we have is 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 plus 4 times x plus 2. This sum should be equal to 74. And this is how we form our equation in x. So let's do that now. We have 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 plus 4 times x plus 2. This is equal to 74. And now all we need to do is solve this equation. So we have 2x, then we have 3 times x plus 1, so we can expand this as 3x plus 3, and then we have 4 times x plus 2, so we can expand this as 4x plus 8, and this is equal to 74. Now on the left side we have 2x plus 3x plus 4x, that will give us a total of 9x, and also we have the constant terms 3 and 8. This will add up to 11. So we have 9x plus 11 is equal to 74. Now we can take this plus 11 and transpose it to the right side. So we will get 9x is equal to 74 minus 11, or 9x is equal to 63. And now finally we can divide both sides of the equation by 9 because we want to get rid of this 9. So we will get x is equal to 63 by 9, and 63 by 9 is equal to 7. So we get x is equal to 7. And that helps us find the three consecutive integers because they are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So they will be equal to 7, the smallest one, then the next one will be 8, and the third one will be 9. So the three consecutive integers we wanted to find are 7, 8 and 9, and we can verify that if we multiply 7 by 2, 8 by 3 and 9 by 4, and if we add them up, we will get 74. So that completes question number 8. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.